Where do you think we're going, Marwa?
I don't know, man. This Texas. This sounds like those horror movies I've seen.
I've taken Philly here, so I'm taking here too.
Texas Roadshow.
Oh, so we're in Arizona.
Yes.
We're gonna find Mara a new house.
New house.
We're gonna give you a new house, free.
Oh.
We'll give you a free house.
Is it a haunted house or?
I'll show you.
Hey, guys, what do you think of that?
We're gonna find Mara a house.
A house?
Yeah, a house.
In the middle of nowhere, Richard.
Sorry, the field of view is not too big.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Gold Dust Road.
Wow. Arizona. This is your boy Mara here with Richard. He just pulled over. I don't know what's going on.
It's harder now.
Wait, your car is 4x4, right?
Yeah.
So you're sure we shall not be stuck here?
No.
Take the next right onto Gold Dust Road, then turn right to stay on Gold Dust Road.
What's going on here? Huh? This place looks like a place where Cardi B...
Take the next right to stay on Gold Dust Road, then you're
Yeah, we do this.
Ooh. What's going on here, man?
I don't want to take you the same ones I've been to. Me and Philly Dunn went to two of them, but we saw someone that told us to get out.
Somebody was inside?
Yeah, but we don't think he was supposed to be there. See, so here, this end.
Mm-hmm. Hey. Wow, people come here actually. Let me also film with my other camera.
So I want to make sure nobody's here first.
You
I have to hide my car.
You have to hide?
Yeah, I don't want my car in the middle of nowhere. Let's pull it off here.
Careful. You go. You should carry something just in case somebody tries to attack us.
Yeah, we should have brought it. So we are here in Arizona.
Arizona, yes.
And these houses, they're demonstration houses for showing people, you want to buy this house, you want to buy it. And for something happened, they didn't build them, they didn't finish them.
So they abandoned them in the middle?
Yeah, I think they might refurbish them, I think.
Oh.
So I changed my camera a little bit to be wider. No, I don't think there's no electricity.
I mean, it's very fragile.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah. So me and Philly Dom went here before. After about 2 houses, someone found us and kicked us out, but we're hoping nobody's here this time.
It's like a horror movie. I think we have to be careful because there could be snakes, right?
Yeah. The owner didn't want people in here because people destroy it.
Oh.
People use the bathroom in it. People sleep in here or something.
So when
A
you
lot of people steal stuff.
Oh.
They like to steal the wiring.
Oh.
The wire has copper.
See how they create walls in America. How they create walls. This is a big investment for somebody to abandon like that.
Yeah.
Hey.
Right. Okay, we'll sneak to the next one. So we'll sneak over there. Okay? When you sneak, you stay away from the road.
Where did you find the other? You told me this is not your first time here.
I seen it on someone else's YouTube.
Oh, somebody keep.
Someone else's YouTube channel, and they didn't say where it was, but I figured it out somewhere. So my last video, I didn't say where it is either. Yeah, so I'm not telling you guys where this is. You guys are gonna have to find it. So. Well, okay, I think. Oh, that's the one we got kicked out.
That one?
Yeah. Me and Philly, this is our second house. That's the third house we got kicked out.
So
and there was a guy in there painting, but it didn't look like he did anything.
A real owner?
I don't know. We think he was homeless. So this would be a garage.
Yeah.
Park your car. Yeah.
This would have been the garage. Yeah. See like that.
Yeah, it looks about the same as last time. Maybe a little cleaner. Yeah. So now you know how they make the walls, you see.
Yeah, this
A lot of people want to steal the wire because it has
this cable.
coppers. Yeah.
Oh, you see.
This was probably a bathroom here for the shower. Yeah, I mean bathtub maybe.
Yeah.
Hot water tank in there.
I feel like the owner of this project died, Richard.
Oh, maybe. It's probably a hot water heater. Heater for the hot water.
Wow. Yeah, I feel like the owner died. One thing I've loved about the US houses is the sockets. They're always everywhere. Sockets.
Oh, that wasn't here last time.
Huh?
I don't think that was here last time. This wasn't like this. Someone's doing something here.
Yeah, recently, right?
Yeah.
Somebody has been cleaning. It looks very clean.
So I was here in March, and I didn't see this going on. Oh, sorry. Someone's doing something over there.
Huh?
Yeah, someone's doing something over there.
Inside.
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah, it seems like they're slowly working, very slowly. Cables. Oh, they have these demo houses have everything. They have the ventilation, everything. It's very quiet out here. Very quiet. I just don't want someone to get caught again. We got caught last time. Someone's doing some work. Yeah, where you at? Okay.
They had a lot of tires, man. Wow.
Yeah, lots of tires.
Was it like something like camping?
I don't know. Sometimes people just dump them because you have to pay. You have to pay to get rid of them. So sometimes they just dump them. So you don't have to pay.
Look, lots of tires.
I'm not sure if I've been in this house yet. I don't think I've been in this house. Doing a lot of work.
Yeah, somebody's fixing something.
Yeah, I haven't been in this one. Wow, it's nice, nice area. The roof came off. I'm using GoPro 10. I'm doing 5K, 60 FPS, and keep shutting off because it's too hot. So I'll just do some short clips. Like I said, first time with the GoPro 10, 5K, 60 FPS.
This is kind of scary.
It is scary.
But I feel like on a road trip, you and your girlfriend can have a good time here.
Just for fun, huh?
Just for fun. Oh, man.
All right, this is we're going to our fourth house. We've been there. There's one over there, very far away. I don't think we'll go there. That's actually the very first house you'll see.
These are bullets?
Could be, yeah.
Huh?
Maybe, yeah, I think so. Someone might have shot the holes in the wall. We'll see. Yeah, I think someone shot up here. Yeah,
These are bullets?
I think so. Yeah. If they were, no.
There's like an animal which comes here at night. And even up here, there are birds which sleep. You can tell from the feces.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, those maybe were bullet holes when they went up there.
Bullets.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see,
Huh?
someone was shooting guns here.
Those are guns for it?
Yeah. Then it went through here,
Oh.
here to here. One hit here.
Yeah.
Maybe someone went over here. I don't see any though. No, I don't see any bullets. You can see people shot guns like that. Looks like a, you know what? All right, my camera keeps shutting off at 5K 60, so I'll just make short clips. There's the garage. There's the next house. I'll go over there in a little bit. All right, so we are going to go this is actually, that's actually the very first one. If you come here, you'll see that one first. All right, so this is actually the first house. First house has some graffiti. Entrance is over there. We just came from that house over there. We've been to those. There's only one house we haven't been to.
After this, there's another one.
Yeah. Pizza. Guns. Okay, we have to be careful here. Don't step on nails. This house. All right, you can see this house is more abused. We had someone drive by, so making sure we don't get caught.
Be careful with that.
Yeah, we have to be careful here. We got glass, maybe some nails and stuff. Yeah, this house was very, very abused.
What do you think this is?
This came from some sort of vehicle.
A wagon?
Maybe off-road vehicle or a wagon, yeah. All right, now we're on our way to the last house. The last house will be the one over there. Yeah, someone's been shooting the houses. Here's the very last house. Oh, sorry. I was a little afraid. We saw a car coming in. This garage. Alright, see in this last house we got some big poop in there.
People still vandalize this.
Yeah, there's a big empty space in there.
Which I think we should leave.
Yeah, well, we can leave soon. Yeah. Ceiling fans. Okay, guys, we're wrapping up right here. We showed you every single house. Check out I Am Marwa over there.
Yes, please check my YouTube channel.
I Am Marwa.
Man, I feel sad for the owner of this place.
Yeah. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys.